What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing for Lisa Greatness. And I just got done doing my cardio and abs. And today is my refeed day. Today is Saturday. I figure, fuck it, man. Why not just take y'all through my day, show you my meals, make this a second day of eating. You know what I'm saying? The return of Lean Jones, episode 2. Keep in mind, I had a scoop of whey before I came here, so that's my meal number 1. The next meal I'm gonna show y'all is meal number 2. It's my refeed day, so the carbs are gonna be ridiculously high. I don't know the macros off the top of my head, so when I get home, I'll give y'all the macros. Anyway, see y'all in a moment. About to get me a good old sandwich. Alright, homies and homies, let me show you what I'm working with one time. Got a Subway footlong. I got that oven roasted chicken. Alright, with wheat bread. No cheese, man. I just got spinach, tomatoes, and onions and banana peppers. No cheese. I'm keeping the fats low until later. Alright? And 2 bags of baked Lay's. I got the barbecue flavor and the sour cream and onion flavor, alright? And a cup of agua. Anyway, see y'all at the next meal. Alright, guys. I just got done taking me a little hour nap. I'm getting a little hungry again. Time for me to have this is my 3rd meal. Let's go to the kitchen. Alright, homies and homies, I'm in the kitchen. Here's my next meal. First and foremost, let me give you my macros I gotta hit today. I forgot to tell y'all that. Okay, this is what I gotta hit today. Today I gotta hit 225 grams of protein, 565 grams of carbs, and 60 grams of fat. This is my 3rd meal. My first meal with the protein shake before I went to the gym and did my cardio and abs. My next meal was the Subway sandwich and chips, which you just saw. This is my 3rd meal. Here we go. Alright, so as you see, I started off with a sausage, egg, and cheese lean pocket. Bam, I got 2 of them bitches. Then I got 2 skinny cows, the chocolate truffle, alright? Now, keep in mind, it's my refeed day. I gotta hit 5 grams of carbs, so I'm able to have some crappy foods. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty crappy, but it fits. Just because it's a refeed day doesn't mean you just eat shit like this all day. You still gotta fit in some quality shit. So pretty much after this, I'm pretty much gonna have mostly high quality foods and try to throw in some rice, try to get me some lean meat in, probably give me some potatoes in there somewhere in this bitch. You know, don't just throw a whole bunch of bullshit foods. It's gonna fuck up your diet. It's gonna make you bloated, and you still gotta get some micronutrients, okay? But anyway, I'm about to eat this. Yeah, time to eat, man. Yes, sir. What's doing over there, Bruno? Even Bruno getting something to eat. He ain't fucking around, man. We both trying to get our cuts for the sluts. Throw a little lemon on that bitch. Some salt. What else we got over here? A little garlic salt. What's the matter, buddy? Shit. What do you want? What do you want, buddy? I'm trying to eat. Okay. Here I come. He wants me to pick him up, guys. Yeah, I spoiled the hell out of him. He likes to be carried around the house like a fucking poodle. Anyway, guys, let me show you my meal right here. As you see, I got 2 cups of brown rice. I got 4, if you can see here, 4.85 ounces of tilapia. I actually want a little more tilapia, but I'm trying to keep my protein low right now. It's still pretty early in the day. It's only like 4 o'clock, and I don't want to fuck around and get to my last meal and only have like 10 grams of protein left. So I want to keep my protein low. It's still early in the day, and I still got to go train chest tonight. Right now, I'm waiting for one of my clients to hit me up in a minute. And right now, I'm on my Fitness Pal, and I'm waiting for one of my clients to Skype with me for a minute, and then I'm going to take me another nap. It's been a Saturday I like to sleep in, but you know, when I have clients want to talk to me, I'll talk to them. That's what they pay me for, you know. I'm here for them. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to eat this meal, and I hook this fish up, too, man. Fuck! Shit good as fuck. But anyway, see y'all at the next meal. Alright, homies and homettes, time to go to the gym. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I've been tired all day, haven't gotten much sleep. I've only got like maybe an hour or two nap. But anyway, it's cool though, man. I'm still about to fuck some shit up. No pre-workout snack. That tilapia and brown rice got me feeling pretty good. So, I got my BCAs over here by Asatori. And, ooh, shit. I got some Yohanbai, however the fuck you pronounce it, by MTS. You know my boy Mark Lowbliner. And my own pre-workout. I'll take this shit so I can get pumped up.
GAL.
Yes, sir. It's coming out, guys. Y'all be looking out for that. So anyway, I got the 25% link, the 25% link, and the 5% link in the description for those that happen to give a fuck. Anyway, look what the fuck he doing.
He's so bad.
Anyway, time to go. Super set. Alright, homies and homies. Just got done fucking shit up. And this is what I'm having post-workout. I repeat, 1 scoop of MTS whey. 5% link in the description. In case you happen to give a fuck. And 12 pineapples. And I had some people ask me, do I drain the juice? Yes, I learned this the hard way. Absolutely. There's like 2 ounces of pineapple juice in each can, and that adds anywhere between 15 to 20 extra carbs. So yes, drain the fucking juice if you want to count the pineapples as your carbs. And that's it. Now I got 1 meal left, and I'm going to send you back to your mommies and daddies. Stay tuned. Alright, homies and homies, I'm at the house, and I'm looking at my Fitness Pal account, and I realize I may have fucked up. I hate this feeling. I hate when this shit happens. I know if a lot of y'all use my Fitness Pal, you can probably relate to this shit right here. I should have never had that Subway sandwich and that lean pocket breakfast in the same day because it's high in fat. So let me show you why. As you know, I'm supposed to get 60 grams of fat today. I'm already at 56 with 1 meal left. How the fuck am I going to have something that tastes decent without going over 60 grams of fat? So I might just have to go over just a little bit. And that's not bad. My fiber is hit for today. I'm good on the fiber. So let me go ahead and get my dinner together, and I'll show you what I got. And let's see if I was able to stay under 60. And let's see if I did go over 60, how much high did I go? Stay tuned. Check me out, homies and homies. Check your boy out, man.
That's so much.
What?
That's how much calories you consume a day?
Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker.
Sure.
When you're a bad motherfucker, you can eat like this, still get lean. You hear me? All right, baby. Let me show these people what I got over here. Check me out, POG Army. Don't forget what I told y'all earlier. I was supposed to hit 565 grams of carbs. Bam! Perfect. I'm a bad man. I only went 1 gram over my fats. And I hit my protein perfect. And I got 41 grams of fiber. I be hitting the fuck out of these macros. I hit my shit pretty much perfect. Just went 1 gram over my fats. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what my last meal is as soon as it's done. And by the way, I'm going to be changing my macros starting tomorrow. I'm going to lower my calories a bit. So anybody who happens to be interested, who happens to give a fuck, be looking out for that video. And I'll give you my split too, but I didn't change my split too much. Just change the training style a little bit. But anyway, stay tuned. Alright, homies and homies. As you see, like I said, I hit my macros damn near perfect. Let me show you what I'm working with, guys. Okay, this is what I got right here. Where the fuck is it? Right here. A bag of white rice boiled. This is 2 cups of white rice cooked, okay? Then I got 200 grams of grapes weighed. Okay. Now come over here, cameraman. Camera woman. I got 5 ounces of chicken weighed. Check me out. I'm putting it in the skillet. Bam. Okay. Then I got this right here. My secret, man. Cream of mushroom in a can. If you're tired of plain tasting fucking chicken, suggest you buy some cream of mushroom chicken. This is good as fuck.
And some noodles.
Yes.
We're doing rice.
And this seasoning right here I use for the chicken. Let me tell you this, man. This seasoning is, man, when you taste this shit, especially if you've been eating plain chicken for the longest, it's like, ooh, baby, baby. You're gonna love it, guys. I keep be giving my secrets. Let me write a book, man. Shit. Give me all my damn secrets. Anyway, speaking of secrets, I got a marinade video coming for y'all, my little marinade. Anyway, check me out. So I get 1 serving, which is half a cup. I didn't even use a whole serving, but this is 1 serving, half a cup. Just pour it in here. Alright. Just pour that in there. All you gotta do. It's real thick, guys. What you're gonna do is once you get it in there, see how pasty it is? Just add a little water and thin it up a little bit. Turn your skillet on and just heat it up. Once it's heated up and it's mixed well with the chicken, pour it in that rice and you're good to go. That's my last meal, guys. I hope y'all enjoy hanging with me. I wasn't even gonna record it first because I was actually tired and sleepy all day. But I'm like, y'all love these videos and I'm gonna try to keep them coming every 2 weeks, like I said. Hell yeah! Here's my supplements. Check them out right here. All I got, I take this every day. 4 grams of fish oil. 1 a day vitamin. 1 a day multivitamin. Oh! Ah!
Tell the fans what happened when you ate the fish oil by itself.
Oh yeah, guys, don't ever in your fucking life chew one of those fish oils. It will fuck your whole life up. It will fuck your day up. You'll never forget that shit. I dare you. Anybody chew a fish oil, tell me what it tastes like. Tastes like fucking asshole. Anyway.
What you doing, asshole? Tastes like...
You know, I hope your motherfucking ass camera on. You got me fucked up.
You joking.
Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.